if I'm already chosen. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch high every time that I post. Yeah.
Now he come with the thirst. Ayy, work, pose.
So I kind of made my to-do list and then the stuff that I need to buy from Walmart. I just don't remember what I was going to Walmart for. If I'm just going for cereal, I am not going. But yes, so my day is going to really start maybe around 11 a.m. So I get to sleep in a little bit and I'm going to do everything all the way up to 8:30. So that will be my day. So yeah, I'm about to put on these nails and I'm also going to film it for my TikTok as well. I got square shape because I love square nails. I'm really a tapered square type of girl. It comes with its own glue and I just hope it's really nice. So I'm going to do that. So y'all, using this, my big old tripod, I'm also going to be vlogging for my TikTok and Instagram reels. You know, just be a little content creator. I got this from Amazon and I absolutely love it.
And want to use the dark side of the file? I filed every millimeter of my nail and I'm not playing.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know why.
Okay, y'all, so I finished my TikTok reel video and also I just want to show you guys how it came out. I absolutely love them. They're really cute. Really cute. I'm not gonna say girly because I'm not a French tip girl normally, but I just wanted something that looks maintenance, you know. Look how I took my picture on my oh my gosh, that was not supposed to happen. Let me put that back. The picture was cute. It was like this. This might be my thumbnail picture, by the way, as well. Okay, y'all, so now I'm finally finished and here's my fresh new set that I just came from the nail shop. No, I'm just kidding, but like, yeah, I love it. I'm gonna be at my desk now, like, because I type a lot. I don't even know what I be typing. I just be typing a whole bunch of emails. Why the freak do I keep doing that? Like, I'm just be doing dumb stuff. I'm about to just say forget it. I just like how organized it looks. So look, that one's gonna have to be backwards. So again, that was what the, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna save this for the next time, but as for right now, we got our fresh set. So I'm really about to do my lashes now. I have some individual lashes I'm about to put on. I'm about to finish my Popeyes, y'all. Got me a chicken sandwich and, you know, I was eating this and I was like, oh my gosh, let me go do my nails. So I'm about to eat these chicken nuggets too. I love Popeyes. Popeyes has to be my favorite fast food place, for real, for real. So guys, I'm about to just do my hair and I'm gonna change my shirt and then try to do my lashes or whatever. But as y'all can see, like, this is not a slick back, so I'm about to put it into a slick back. I bought that round blow dryer thingy, but you know, because I wanted to do like a fresh blowout type of look, but I don't know, like ever since I have like all this stuff, I just love just wearing my hair in its natural state. I don't even care for the rest right now. Plus it's summertime. In the summertime, one, I wear my natural hair out so I can just let it breathe for the whole summer, and two, I also get braids. Like whenever I go on like on a summer vacation, I just get braids. So those are like my two go-tos. And during the school year, because I have school, I won't look like a bad bitch throughout the year, school year, I be having a wig on. Yo, ever since I colored my hair, it like damaged my hair. But as y'all can see, like it's grown since I think I did it January. It was impulsive. So Yeah, it's grown that much since January. So it's not bad because y'all, like, it was breaking off.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. This show is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so.
Y'all, I cannot with my facial expressions. Like, why do I look like this?
You went in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
Y'all, can we say hello to the curls, period? Even though the shrinkage is crazy. Y'all, do y'all know my hair type? Like, I always be wondering, like, I was like, do I have like 4A, 4B? Like, I literally have no idea. Don't look at the other side, like, it's malfunctioning. I'm really gonna put it in a bun once it kind of dries up. So I saw this girl on TikTok promoting using this, right? So I bought it just for it not to even do nothing. Like, that was a waste of $13. Like, I might as well just kept with my products. I'm not gonna cover my ponytail, but I'm just gonna cover the top of my head because we're gonna put some lashes on. So that's what's gonna happen. Y'all, my dog wants to come in here so bad, but she snorts like crazy because she's a French bulldog. Y'all gonna be hearing her all throughout the video. But anyways, so I have literally all these and some more from the span of like 3 years. Like, they just be sitting in my drawer. So I was like, why not use them? Because they used to look good back then when I used to use them. I don't even know what year that was, but let's see. This used to be my favorite one because it come in clusters, so it was much easier and faster, especially because I'm behind time. I don't even have the right glue because ever since I started wearing strip lashes, I've been using Duo lash glue instead of my regular glue, but we gonna see. I want to rush, but I don't think it's a good idea to rush them, especially when it comes to my eyes. I'm already blind. Y'all, tell me why my thumb already came off. Like, I don't know, but we're gonna have to get that back on. Alright, y'all, I finally finished, and this is how it came out. I ended up not using the 20D extension one thing because I think I need a specific type of glue to use that. So I did use up all of this one, which was the I Envy. And I think they came out okay. Let's see how long they last though, because like I said, the glue I use, I don't know. But I might want to start investing in this, like, for class. Oh, for class this school year. I mean, well, upcoming school year. This might be clutch. So I could, like, just wake up and I could do this every week. That's easier than putting on lashes. I don't really wear lashes every day, but still. So I'm about to get ready to go. I wanted to wear white today. So here's how my hair looks. I'm still gonna put this in a bun. I just don't be liking all the shrinkage, but it don't look bad though. I don't know. Look how it moves. Period. Okay, let me stop. But anyways, my hair is not all the way dry yet, but I can't sit here and keep on waiting on it. You know what? I feel like I should embrace my puff. So I might just wear it out like this. How about that? Yeah, let's do that. This is gonna help with my confidence in my natural state. So anyways, so we're gonna go, I gotta go grocery shopping. And I just posted a TikTok. Nobody ever likes my videos. Okay, I got one like.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch high every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch high every time that I post.
I want to show you guys the panties that I got. So I got this green one. It's actually a darker green. I don't know why it's showing like that on camera. Burgundy. I got like a neon green type of one. I don't know why it looks yellow on camera. I love this pink one. I'm definitely a pink type of girl, so I love pink. I thought this would be like really cute, real sexy. This blue is actually really cute. It's like an electric blue. And I got some Victoria's Secret ones. Then I got like a simple one because it's like dark plum purple. And obviously I got black to match with my my VS bra. I think I showed you my burgundy. And is that it? Yes, I believe that is it. And I bought two for my mother. They were just like a blue one and a red one. I really grown because I used to only wear pink, but you know, now I rock, you know, Victoria's Secret because, you know, I'm getting older, trying to be a lady. So unfortunately, it took too long at Victoria's Secret because, you know, it takes a long time to find like the perfect panties because the way their panties change. I used to love it when they used to have the logo like pink all over or Victoria's Secret, and now they got it a little different. And so maybe I'm just childish, but I like the logo on my panties. So therefore, it took me a little time to start looking for panties and whatnot. And now it looks like I'm gonna be about 30 minutes late to practice. So I hope, I don't really care. I was about to say, hope I don't get in trouble. Who gonna punish me? But I just don't like to be late.
Stuck in a place, just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace, I touch your soul when you hear me say, boy, let me be your woman. Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman.
My YouTube.
Hey, Vanessa Vlog. Oh, my bad. Can't curse. Hey, YouTube. Hey, Vanessa Vlog. Big Vanessa, not the little one.
Period. So we just finishing up practice and we're just doing outfits. So it was time for me to go grocery shopping and I had to come to Aldi's for my syrup. I just love off-brand syrup. Is that weird? You know, I had to get me some plastic plates. I love me a good plastic plate. And I was looking at my list, going to look for eggs, and y'all, eggs are back $1.10. Like, if you know, you know. I had to go to Kroger specifically for my favorite ice cream, and I only love Pillsbury. I feel like I'm a little picky with my groceries, but I mean, most people probably are. So yeah, that was basically my day. I just got AirPods in. I was on the phone the whole time in the store, so I barely got to vlog in the store. I had picked up some pizza, so this was eating. And as I'm drinking my lemonade, pink lemonade to be exact. I don't know why, but I love drinking everything in a mug. I drink my tea, hot chocolate in a mug, obviously, but I also like drinking my juice, all that in a mug. A mug is just me. So my friends are calling in a group chat right now to talk about an upcoming movie that we have. I really don't feel like answering. I kind of just want to relax. I feel like since I woke up, I've done this, I was on this, I've been doing this, so I kind of just want to decompress a little bit. Like, I literally just got home, so I don't feel like being on a group call while everybody's talking. You could barely get a voice in because it's not just, oh, they're calling again. They are calling again. Woo. But anyways, I'm about to go on TikTok and relax, and then I'll call them back, and I'm probably gonna catch up on some Basketball Wives. So I posted this video basically of like the struggles real to get like subscribers or anybody to like view my stuff, and that video specifically got like over 12,000 views so far. And like, people are just commenting and they are really like saying how much it kind of moved them to feel like they have somebody to relate to. And I just want to say, if you are a YouTuber, oh my gosh, y'all, it's a struggle to build from the bottom to the top. Like, I don't know how people be able to grow so easily, but it's really a struggle. So that's why I appreciate y'all like watching my videos, tuning in, subscribing, commenting, liking. Like that stuff does not go unnoticed. Y'all have no idea how good it makes us feel when we're just struggling on YouTube, especially when this is something that we've been wanting to do for so long. Like literally I've been wanting to do YouTube I think since I was 14, but I never had the like the room aesthetic to do that. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait till I get to college. So that was when I was 18, and I have so many YouTube videos in the portal I've never uploaded. Like it's crazy. I was supposed to be vlogging like since I was 18, and that didn't happen. So but it is what it is. It's better late than never. So I'm really glad that I'm actually pushing myself.
Mine's just, I still have it reserved. So I have until like, I guess that week to do it. So I still have it reserved. But in case if like, want to get back to her, whether or not like, I'm just, like curious. I'll go with you though.
Y'all look at my dog. She's always snoring. Guys, let me turn these girls down. I've been on the call with them for about, I want to say almost an hour. So I'm really about to finish watching this episode of Basketball Wives. I might catch up on Power because I'm way behind. And, you know, I'm going to unwind, put my do-rag on and my bonnet. You see my dog is so loud. Like, that's why I have to kick her out my room while I'm filming. Dior, hush. She listened? Oh, she kind of listened. But anyways, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for spending the day with me. Thank you for spending the day with me. Might have been a little boring, but you know, we got through it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And make sure you stay tuned for the next video, and I will catch y'all there.
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.